My 2015 Engine 11 Skyline frame is a 58 centimeter, which is a large. I have the prototype 50 millimeter Arma carbon clenchers. These wheels are amazing. I love them. They have great bearings. I'm rocking a mid-cage Shimano Ultegra rear derailleur, 1128 cassette. Your legs are the engine. The 11 represents your legs. I have a 5036 compact Durace 9100 crankset. Engine 11. Your legs are the engine. Skyline. Road frame. Sean Remy. I have the 44 width Ritchie bars with a 130 millimeter Ritchie stem. Jaguar shifting cables, braking cables. This bike rides amazing. It is the ultimate machine.